You're like me. You're like a systems girl. I can already see that.
You have to think of this as a pseudo de novo. Think back to the beginning.
Kind of challenge you to tell me what you see that's good about this.
So the positive spin is we're going to find our opportunity. The opportunity is to get our systems right, to right size our staff, just to grow your practice the right way. It's a reset button.
It gives us opportunity to rethink, restructure, rebuild.
Single practitioner is going to become very strong. I think this is a great opportunity. Instead of, going after opportunity, maybe we have to make sure our house is really right.
When prepping for an elegant dinner party, start with a clean kitchen.
Yes, I'm with you. We're systems girls. Yeah.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
It's so funny. One doctor says, "What do the offices look like in Canada?" What?
Please, please.
And don't forget to do the intro. Dee,
I know, that's what I was just going to say. Don't go away, Dee. We didn't introduce you.
I have a little sticky intro.
Who the hell is this lady?